I have 3 ears here. 1, 2, 3. Three ears by 60. Here's the back. I will first of all cut the front. The fabric is unfold, so I'll be cutting it separate. The back separate, the front separate. So everything is 27.5 inches from this place to the end. 27.5. The wideness of my bubble is 27.5 inches. This is the front. I'm measuring 48.5 from here, like so. Then I'll cut it. This is the front. After cutting the front parts of my dress, I'll keep the remaining fabric and I'll work on the front of my bubble. Then later we'll come to the back part of it. Please watch this video to the end. This is the lace I'm going to be using. I have 2 ears here, 2 ears. I'm not going to use everything. This is 11.5 inches. This one is unfold. I folded it into 2. This is satin. This one is the back side. This is the front side. So this is the back. This one is the front. I'm going to cut the neck. But before I cut the neck, this very one will be here. I have half inch here and I also have half inch here. So that's the sewing allowance. Shoulder is 60 inches. I marked 8 inches. The wideness of the neck, 3 inches. 1 inch. One and a half inch this side. Seven inches. That is the front neck. I will separate the front from the back. Notch the middle. This one is the one we trim from this place. So I'm going to trim this place now. This is the shoulder. This is the landing. I'm going to use it to turn this very one. Then you notch the middle. Right side. This is the wrong side. The right side is facing the wrong side. I'm just going to use it to turn the neck. I'm taking it to the sewing machine. I will sew the V-neck. Then after sewing it, I will notch it. I will notch it so that the neck will relax. Then I will now top stitch it and iron it. As you can see here, I've already sewed the neck and I top stitch it, this black line, and I ironed it. So the next thing is to pin down the lace to the landing. I pin everything down. I will sew the edge like this. I'll sew this place. I'll sew it round. After sewing it, I'll trim off the excess. I'll trim this side away. I'll trim this side, this one. I'm going to turn the back with bias. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. I will sew it like this. After sewing it, I will notch it, then I'll turn it to the wrong side. This is the back side. I will notch it round. I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll top stitch on the bias. Then after that, I will iron it. This is the front side. I will notch the middle. This is the middle. This is the front. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. This is the place I notch. I also notch this place. I'm going to sew this place from this place to the end, from this place to the end. I iron it open. I will zigzag it. If you have weaving machine, you can overlock it with your weaving machine so that it will not be pulling off. Right now I'm going to mark out the shape, the sleeve, the hip, the bust, the tie, everything. Remember, shoulder is 16 inches, mark 8 inches, sleeve 18.5 inches, mark 18.5 inches. The remaining one is the sewing allowance, about 1.5 inch. So from this place to this place is 20 inches. The sewing allowance and the sleeve 20 inches. Half length plus the sewing allowance, I'll mark 39 inches. Bust 15 inches plus 4, add 4 inches. Everything is 19 inches. So I'm going to mark 19 inches. 19 inches. So I'll measure 19 inches from here, 19 inches to the end. This is the half length 39. I don't want the down of the bubu to be too wide, so I'm going to minus 2 inches from this side. From my half length, I'll measure 10 inches. From this place to this place is 10 inches. Measure 2 inch here. From this place to this place, 10 inches. I will roll this place to this place now. Round sleeve 11 inches. So you just cut this place like so. It's time to join the shoulder. Now. This is the shoulder. I will join the shoulder. Then I will also join the other side. So what I will do now, iron the shoulder open, just like so. The same way I iron this place open, I will iron it open, the two sides. This is the shoulder. I will iron it open like so. Then I'm going to use bias. This is the sleeve side. I'll put it like this. Sew it to this place. Then after sewing it, I will turn it. After sewing it like so, I will turn it. I will top stitch on this side of the bias. Then I will now use it to fold it like so. Do you understand now? I will fold it like this. The bias will be on the inside. This side will be like so. Then after that, after ironing the shoulder open, turn the sleeve with the bias, I will now join the sides, both sides of the bubu. After that, I will join it like this. From here, I'll use 1/2 inch. Just do it to the end. I'll do it like that to the bottom with 1/2 inch to the bottom. Then I will iron it open. Then after that, you make sure, just look at the hem. Look at it. You make sure it's equal here, like so. You make sure it's equal. If it's not equal, you trim the excess. Then after joining the side, I will iron this place. After ironing it, I will use hemming gum. I've already joined the side of the bubu. The down part of it, I used hemming gum. It has its own head tie, scarf, in case you want it with the scarf. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Remember to like this video, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and watch other videos on my channel. Thank you, and I would like to see you next time. Bye bye.